This motherfucker got me at work. I'm sick. Y'all look, I need this shit, man. Too much to happen this week already, dog. Gotta pay these on. Here comes somebody else.
Yo, what's good, my brother? How you doing on this lovely Sunday, man?
No pets allowed, sir. Look at the sign. You see that? No pets.
That ain't a ghost sign, though. That's a dog sign.
Man, fuck all that. The sign is not for the exact animal, nigga. It's for pets, period. And that's a pet, my boy. Get your ass out of here.
Bro, but it's my boy Bentley. You don't know Bentley? He go everywhere with me, bro.
Oh, look at little Bentley. Well, he can take your ass back to the house, nigga. Get up out of here.
Yeah, man. But anyway, let me get a double seaweed deluxe, extra fries. Hey, yo, Canela, come up in here and get you some food, man. I know you hungry.
Oh, hell no.
They got that deliciousness up in here, girl.
Hey, Ace Ventura, did you not hit me the first time? I know your peanut butter cookie looking ass can hear me, man.
Yeah, bro. But Canela and the whole squad is hungry, too. They gotta eat. Everybody eats, bro.
Why is this nigga testing me today? I'm trying to turn the other fin and shit. You tell you, turn the other fin, Tut. Let him hit you on the other. No, bro. Hey, what you looking at?
Bro, you cannot kick out my animals, bro. These are not regular animals. They are service animals. They're registered. They wear vests. Like, what's up with you?
Them ain't no damn service animals. Nigga, what? Nigga, did your animals just, Okay, all right. You and your animals with personalities can get the fuck up out of here. I don't know how many times I gotta say this shit, but your ass need to go.
Bro, what? You want me and the squad to leave? Bentley just hit 90K on the gram. And Canela got like 50K followers. We should be getting a special treatment. Like, where the red carpet at, bro?
Red carpet? Oh, man, that's crazy. It seemed like I left all my fucks at the house. You gotta wait till I re-up, bro. I ain't got nothing on me right now.
Oh, all right. I see what this is. Strawberry party!
Hey! Hey, what the? Hey! Hey! Okay, all right, okay. I got something for y'all. You gonna bring all these animals up in my motherfucking store, okay? All right, okay. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I changed clothes right in front of y'all. Now I got a gun in my hand. Oh, man, that's crazy. So if y'all don't get up out of here, I'm about to play Deer Hunter like they used to play on the PlayStation 2.
Man, bro, I'm gonna be honest. My squad consists of peace, love, and positivity. So we're just gonna gather ourselves and take ourselves to the chum bucket, man.
Yeah. Peace, love, positivity. Y'all ass on up out of here. Take your ass to the chum bucket, nigga. It look like somebody dumped a chum bucket on your head. I hate my life. I'm gonna close the store down today. That's what I'm gonna do.
Let me get that double C we deluxe.
Yeah, hey, double C we deluxe. Yeah, hey, double C we deluxe. Yeah, hey, double C we deluxe. Yeah, hey, double C we deluxe. Yeah, hey, double C we deluxe. Yeah, it's gonna cost a lot of bucks. Yeah, you know I don't give a no, I never give a, never will give a fuck. Yeah, if you think you about to get some shit for free, well sorry sir, you out of luck. Yeah, I don't know what you think this is, but this is a gallon grub. Yeah, you want something for free? What that supposed to mean to me? Let me spell the shit out for you just like this a killer and a B. F-U-C-K out my face, you gon' pay. Ain't no way that's 1465 or you can't have a nice day, sir, okay? Huh? What you mean your wallet in the car? I'm about to do what I'm supposed. Sorry Reggie, but you gotta go. Soon as he go to the car, all of a sudden, damn, look at that, we close.
Let me get that double C we deluxe.
Yeah, hey, double C we deluxe. Yeah, hey, double C we deluxe. Yeah, this one costs a lot of bucks. Yeah, double C we deluxe. Double C we deluxe. Yeah, this one costs a lot of bucks. Yeah, you know I don't give a fuck.
You cannot kick out my animals, bro. They are service animals. They're registered. They wear vests. Like, what's up with you?
Them ain't no damn service animal.
What's good, my brother? How you doing on this lovely Sunday, man?
No pets allowed, sir. Look at the sign. You see that? No pets.
Oh, all right. I see what this is. Strawberry party. Hey, yo. Berry party. Come up in here and get you some food, man. Strawberry party. Berry party.
Moss, you should chill.
Strawberry party.
Yeah, it's a strawberry party. Hold up, who is you?
Strawberry party.
Yeah, what's the strawberry party? What you finna do? Yeah, hey, I'm just feeling sick while at my job. Really hate my job cause my boss is a slob. Customers keep coming, I wish they would stop. I'ma punch someone before I punch the clock. Think I'm through the door, a nigga with a goatee looked and said hello. I said a go must go. Pointed to the sign as if the go was fine. You must be out your mind, so I ain't got the time. Picture was a dog, but I don't care at all. I don't really care at all. He tried to make an order, I was like hell no. I was really like hell no. Said sir you gotta go, and then he made a call. Yeah, Canela come inside, I thought he had a dog. No. Okay, now a golden deer are in my presence. Man. But how Canela breathing, it don't make no damn sense. Cartoons don't make no damn sense. Boy got mad and threw some berries in the air then. Deer came in, so I put out my Smith & Wesson. He learned a lesson.
Strawberry
Yeah.
party. Berry party. Strawberry party. Berry party. Strawberry party.
Yeah, it's a strawberry party. Hold up, who is you?
Strawberry party.
Yeah, what's a strawberry party? What you finna do? Yeah, hey.
Let me get that double C, we do love.
Yeah, hey, double C weed deluxe. Yeah, yeah, hey, double C weed deluxe. Yeah, yeah, hey, double C weed deluxe. Oh, what up, y'all? Damn, it's Dwayne and Jazz at the same time. That's crazy. What brings y'all to my house?
Me and my fair maiden was coming over to your establishment to inquire about these direct messages.
I'm gonna be honest with you. I understand a damn thing you just said. You ain't the Monopoly man, you the Monopoly manatee. Ugly. What do y'all want, man? Why y'all wasting my time today?
Well, like I have said before, Squire, I've came over here to inquire about these direct messages.
Sir, I do not know what the hell you're talking about. I was not in anyone's direct messages.
Well, let me grab my spectacles. Is what your name, TutWeezy?
Yeah, what's it to you?
Well, the direct messages, and I quote, say, are you coming over to the gallery grub today at 5 o'clock to come bust that ass wide open?
Yes, he said that indeed.
Jazz, anybody ask you shit? You and this fucking waiter at
a casino that sell condoms in the bathroom could get the fuck off my porch. That little ass tuxedo, man. It's like both y'all made out of graham cracker dust. Get y'all dust ass out of here. Damn, Jazz, what type of shoes you got on? You got the shoes from the Wicked Witch of the East, don't it? Finna click your heel 3 times and get the fuck off my porch. Bye-bye, y'all. Have a nice day. Yeah.
I know he did not just close the door in our faces.
Come back outside, you coward. We still have not discussed the business that I came here for.
Dwayne, you look like how hot dog buns look at rich people's house.
I know you're not talking with those thick-ass bivocals on. If you don't get your defying the laws of gravity invisible nose ass, I don't know if that's your hat or a fin to help you swim, old dolphin face ass.
Why you got orange peel on the back of your neck? I bet when you sneeze, it smell like citrus. Why you walking around with a tuxedo set on with shorts and no fucking shoes or socks, bruh? What type of shit is this? Hey Jazz, why one of your side of your dreads longer than the other side? I bet that side heavier. So when the wind be blowing, you just be swaying back and forth. Ooh. And Dwayne, you be like, baby, don't fall over. I've got you.
Honey, I look marvelous. On the other hand, your baby mother looks hideous and scarier than insidious.
I tell you what, do not pass go, do not collect $200, and do not be on my porch when I get back, because I'm going to have that motherfucking fire. Nigga want to play with me? Nah, bet.
I will not take this matter very lightly. Your number was inside my girl's direct messages, plus with a couple nudes.
Well, it seems the solution to this problem is elementary, my dear Watson. Your girl was in my DM first. Look at that. Bam, that's crazy. Hit me up. She want this.
I didn't see this originally. Jasmine, what ratchetry is this?
I would never! That is blasphemous. He photoshopped that of me.
Well, one of you here is a liar. Do not make me take up my britches and whoop one of your asses. Did you just wink at him?
Man, there wasn't no wink, man. I'll see you tonight, baby.
What is going on? What games are we playing? Wait, why are you walking into his house? Wait, why are you closing the door?
See you later, dear.
Damn you all. You best believe, TutWeezy, this will not be the last time you hear from me.
No neck nematode looking ass boy.
I know you're not talking about my turtleneck when your hat covers up your whole back. That's the biggest hat I ever seen. Look at the bill. Who ordered that, Mr. Krabs? That's store official?
Oh, so we roasted now. Nigga, your arm's so long, I bet you can tie your shoes standing straight up. I ain't gotta bend over because I can tie these bitches standing straight up, looking dead at you, tying my shoes. A crispy churro doing a cha-cha slide looking ass nigga.